Hello everyone, and welcome to today's math quiz. In this video, we are going to test your understanding of types of numbers and fractions and decimals. Let's begin the quiz. Which of the following is a natural number? Which of the following is a whole number? Which number is an even number? Which of the following is an odd number? Which of the following is a proper fraction? Which of the following is an integer? Which of the following numbers is prime? Which of the following numbers is composite? Which of the following is a mixed fraction? Convert 1/2 into decimal form. Which of the following is a rational number? Convert 0.75 into a fraction. Which of the following numbers is irrational? Which of the following sets contains only integers? Convert the improper fraction 9/4 into a mixed fraction. Which of the following numbers is both even and composite? Which of the following decimals is rational? Which number belongs to natural, whole, and integer sets? Convert 3/8 into decimal form. Which statement is true? Follow our channel for more such videos.